I don't get very excited about packages and unboxings, but I am today, so I'm going to do this unboxing of these notebooks. I've been using these Baron Fig notebooks like this with the signature yellow tab for a long time, since they first came out, and every time I order new ones I get really excited. So today I've ordered two. This is the first time that I've ordered their plus size. So here is the regular size, the what they call the flagship size, in the light gray that they're known for, and then I always get dot grid. So that's what the new boxing looks like. Just to compare it, let me show you what an older box looks like. Yes, I keep the boxes for these two. So this is an older box, when it was still the Confidant 1, I believe. So this is a bit of their older stuff here. This is what it used to look like. Now this is a newer one, Confidant 2, and you can see that it's the same as what I already had in the blue one. The blue's been a nice color. I was surprised at how much I liked it. So I've got that in dot grid. Let me see if I can get that to focus a little bit better. Yeah, so I've got this in dot grid, and we've also got, the first time I've ever bought, the plus size. So this is much larger. As you can see, that's the regular size, and it's just definitely bigger. So I bought this in the charcoal, which I bought before in dot grid, but this is the plus size, which I'm very excited to use. So let's open this up. And I'm actually not going to open this one yet because I don't need this one. I have another journal size. This is a lectern that I bought. I'm not really crazy about it, but I'm using it anyway. So I'm going to leave the smaller one till later. I'm going to open this larger one and start to use it. I love their packaging, it's really nice. Okay. Yeah. Same stuff as always. Whew. This is a large notebook. This is a large, this is what I'm used to with Baron Figs, is the smaller format. But now I've got this large one here. This is really cool. And there it is. It's a large notebook. I mean, that's exactly what I ordered. I love the paper. I love the Baron Fig paper. I mean, it's just great. But anyway, it's exactly what you would think. It's a Baron Fig, but it's just bigger. So I'm excited to try this out and use it.